I've been passing through some crazy off-road section. Not even getting it on camera. Look at this. Tenerae's been doing it though. Doesn't even care. That's my problem. I like sightseeing and then I forget that I'm on the road. Pick a line, commit. That's a nice mud pit over there. Oh yeah, beautiful. It just does it on the stock tires that are apparently everyone complains about that is no good on the loose stuff. Yeah. I'm heading to Sunrise Mountain. There's a pavilion overlook that I used to go to all the time. I'm not sure if I've ever taken this way. If I have, it's gotten a lot worse. Pick your line, look ahead. Yeah. Screw the mud. Let's go. Oh yeah. Nice little jump there. Still got my bag. All right. Oh, this is brilliant. Am I recording this action? Yeah. I think second gear will be better. Yeah, a lot smoother. Let it roll. Acceleration. Yeah, alright. This is awesome! Yeah, there's no way that Triumph Rocket would have came through here. Man, he would have cursed me out. I was referring to a friend that wanted to come along on this trip, but unfortunately he has a road bike and was unable to do these off-road sections. Cool. Temperature went from 79 to 75. Still feels great. This is called Stoke State Park, and we're heading to Sunrise Mountain. Now this is a two-way. You gotta be careful here. Alright, no cars coming, let's go. Even this is fun on a Tenerae. We're at the top. My ears are popping. Went down to 74 degrees. Welcome to Sunrise Mountain in Frankfort, New Jersey. The Appalachian Trail runs through this parking lot, and a short hike on the trail takes you to a historic pavilion that sits at 1,650 feet and gives you some great views of New Jersey. My God, this is the dirtiest I've ever seen this bike. Can you tell that I've been off-roading? This is crazy. Look at the engine. It's ridiculous. Look at that oil filter. Yeah, it could be dirtier. Oh, now the exhaust. Here we are, the highest point of New Jersey. The High Point Monument sits at a whopping 1,803 feet. It may not seem like a lot, but the fact that the surrounding mountains are not that tall, it gives it an illusion of being much higher, and it's unlike any other high point of any other state. Oh. We are at the base of the monument, High Point State Park. So you have a 360-degree view of New Jersey. So that's New Jersey over there, east. That's upstate New York, facing north, and that's Pennsylvania facing west. So we are very close to the Tri-State Monument, which is down there by the Delaware River. As a matter of fact, I'm going to zoom in. That looks like very similar to the Disney introduction of all their movies. All we're missing is a castle with fireworks. I've noticed that all the cemeteries in the north are visible and out in the open. Unlike where I live in Florida, where all the cemeteries are purposely hidden, they want to make you believe that you are not finite and that you will live forever. Here's a good example of the observation that I made during the short period of time that I was here. This is a high school in North Jersey, and it has a cemetery right next to it. Every time the kids walk to the school, they see the cemetery. I suppose that it reminds them that they will not live forever, and one day they will have to answer for all the good and bad things that they've done in their lives. And hopefully in return, they become better human beings for it. Welcome to the Upper Delaware Scenic Byway, also known as Hawk's Nest, Route 97. It's just a few miles north of Port Jervis, New York. It was built in 1939 and is known for its challenging curves and has been featured in many car commercials. This short section of the Scenic Byway has claimed the lives of a few individuals, including most recently the life of a young woman that fell over the edge in 2022. In this video, including the previous video, we have ridden a few hundred miles and crossed 3 states in less than 8 hours. In the next video, we're heading down to 7 Lake Drive and explore Harriman State Park and Bear Mountain, which is located just north of New York City. It's going to be a good one, so please stay tuned, like and subscribe.